In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain to your Netlify project. To get started, open your project in Netlify. Once you're inside the project dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel and click on Domain Management. This is where Netlify lets you control the domain settings for your site, including adding a custom domain and checking whether everything is connected properly. If you've never done this before, don't worry. The process is very straightforward once you know where each setting lives. After that, click Add Custom Domain. You'll be prompted to enter the domain name you want to connect to your Netlify site. Type it in carefully, making sure there are no extra spaces or typing errors. Then click Verify. This verification step helps Netlify confirm the domain format and prepares the platform to show you the exact DNS records you need to use. It's important to enter the correct domain here because even a small typo can cause the connection to fail later. Once verified, Netlify will display the DNS instructions for your domain. Here, you need to copy the target A record, which is 75.2.60.5, along with the CNAME record that Netlify provides. These records tell your domain where to point so visitors land on your Netlify site. The A record is typically used for the root domain, while the CNAME is commonly used for subdomains, depending on your setup. Make sure you copy them exactly as shown, because DNS records must match precisely. Next, log into your domain registrar, which is the service where you purchased or manage your domain name. Navigate to the DNS settings section. Every registrar has a slightly different layout, but you're looking for the area where you can add or edit DNS records. Once you find it, add the A record and the CNAME record using the values Netlify provided. Take your time here, because this is the most important part of the setup. If your registrar already has conflicting records for the same host, you may need to update or replace them so Netlify's records can work correctly. When that's done, return to Netlify and wait for the domain status to update. DNS changes are not always instant, so it may take a little time before Netlify detects the new records. Once everything is configured correctly, the domain status should show active, and automatic SSL provisioning should also begin. That means your site will be secured with HTTPS without needing extra manual setup.